What's up, guys? Okay, y'all. Today our DIY is gonna be a Dollar Tree Halloween costume. Yes, you heard me correctly, guys. For this DIY, you're going to need a spool of ribbon, the actual spool from the ribbon, some scissors, some mesh, glitter, a headband, Mod Podge, and some twisty ties or something that you could use to gather your mesh with, in a old tank top, t-shirt, or what have you. So let's get started, guys. Okay, guys, the first step is to take your empty ribbon spool. And I just want to show y'all this example. Once you finish with these the ribbons, I always save my spools for crafts as this. So you have your empty spool, and we're just gonna take the top off and the bottom off. Booyah! It's that simple, guys. And so the next step we're gonna draw on it for our pattern. You're not gonna see these pen marks, so it really doesn't matter. But we're gonna be using this to make our crown. And we're just gonna make some triangle shapes. You know, like the points of the crown. I hope y'all can see this. Y'all, and it don't have to be perfect, but do try to make sure like the bottom of each triangle lines up as close as possible. But if not, nobody's gonna be measuring your triangles, your points on your crown. So I'm not gonna do it, but y'all get the gist. So you circle your whole spool with your little triangles. Okay, once you have your little triangles surrounding your whole spool, then you're gonna take your scissors and cut them out. And you just use the pattern that you drew to guide the scissors. And it's real basic, guys. Take them out. And then you're left with your little points. So I'm gonna finish cutting them out, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay, guys, once your points are completed that you have cut out, look how cute that is already. Can y'all see it? Okay, so once you cut out your little points, then we're gonna make holes for our headband. Now, guys, it depends on how small your headband is. And if you don't have a headband, don't worry, guys. You could take ribbon or even that elastic band type of stuff. But for me, I'm using this headband. And you see mine is small. So I'm just going to take the point of a very small screwdriver and make my holes. Now, the other thing you want to make note of is to put it close down at the bottom. Now, this is pretty sturdy. This spool is very thick, guys. So it shouldn't tear easily or what have you. So go to the base as close as possible and then make your hole. Yeah, of course. There you go. And there you go. And I usually try to go to the other side like that so I could try to line up my holes. And that look about right. Now, if you don't have a screwdriver, guys, just find anything with a point, basically, that can make your hole. So I'll be right back. Okay, I made both my holes, guys. And then I'm just gonna test it out. Push my headband through. And there you have it, guys. Look how cute that is already. And the reason why you want it close, you see, so when you place it on your head, it's as close to the crown as possible, and it lines up with the headband. Inside, look. Okay, guys, let's get to glittering. Alrighty, this step, of course, is easy. All these steps are easy. But if you want to like color the inside of your crown with paint or whatever, I suggest maybe doing that step now. Just color it whatever you like to color it to match your glitter or what have you. But I'm not going to be painting the inside for this DIY, but I just wanted to give y'all that tip. Paint it before y'all do the glitter step. So for the glitter step, you already know, you could take your Mod Podge, line it up. Something's wrong with me. And you just put it on your crown. Make sure you get your points because you want, your glitter to cover everything, especially your pen marks or pencil marks. You could use a pencil, guys. Y'all already know on this channel, I always just show y'all the basic foundation, and y'all can tweak it as y'all see need to be tweaked. Always tweak it to y'all, customize it to fit y'all, not me. And you just do that, and then you sprinkle your glitter. And y'all know all these materials can be found where? At the Dollar Tree. Now I don't have a catcher, so I'm gonna be real just stingy, but just to give y'all the basics. So there you go, y'all, the glitter. I'm finna finish glittering it, and then I'll be back. And there you have it, your finished little crown. Okay, guys, once you sprinkle your glitter on, let it dry. Once your glitter is dry, then take your Mod Podge and put one coat over it while the glitter won't come off. You still might have a little fall of glitter, but it ain't gonna be that much, guys. And that completes your little crown. On to our tutu. Cute. Okay, guys. For this part of the DIY, you're going to take your mesh, your old t-shirt or your tank top, and we're just going to simply gather our mesh at the bottom of our shirt. Instead of those twist ties that I showed you earlier, I end up using safety pins. And you can find safety pins at Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to loosen this part up to show you all that I did so you can get a better understanding. And once again, guys, I don't sew. So this was pretty much just, how you say? A guessing game for myself, thanks. But to me it works out if you don't sew, because you don't have to worry about all that other stuff, about needles and all that other good stuff. And of course, this don't want to come out. Here we go. Okay, guys. So what I did was I gathered this and put a pin on it. So let's just do it again, because I know, even for myself, if I'm looking at a DIY, I want to see all them steps. Like, girl, don't make an assumption. So take your mesh, and this mesh is kind of sturdy as well. You might want a more pliable mesh, but I like the color, so I went with it. And then you gather it. You put your pin in it. All right. And so then you attach it to your shirt after you gather it. Now, you want to look at your baseline, not your baseline, your side stitch, what the heck you call that, a hem? That ain't no hem. Lord help me. I can't even think of what it's called. I don't know what it's called, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. But so just say the edge of the goddamn shirt that's closest to your body. Why, Father, can I not think of that? Oh my God, the edge. So where it lines up and was gathered. Take this part before you do that next step, so you can make sure you have enough to go across your waist. That's all I wanted to say, guys. I'm pretty sure y'all know what the heck I'm talking about. And so then you just circle it. Go with the flow of how it's already curving around. And take the edge of the shirt and then you pin it. Now, it's kind of hard to show on camera, guys. I'm doing my best. So if y'all have any questions, I'll do my best to answer it. But I hope y'all get the understanding of just seeing what I'm doing. If y'all can see what I'm doing. It's kind of hard. When you're on one person camera, man, you got to just make it do what it do. Okay, so y'all see it's the pin is inside it, and I attached it to the shirt. And that's all I'm doing, guys. It's real basic. It just looks more complicated than what the heck it really is. So then, once you got that secured on the edge of your shirt, then you attach it. The rest. And that's it, guys. Your finished costume. This costume could be worn by little kids, even little babies. And this with a little minor adjustments, it's a go. When you put on your shirt, you can adjust your little tutu with your little safety pins. It's real easy, guys. And also your headband, so you can, switch away your crown, however you want to wear that as well. I hope you guys like this video and like your finished costumes. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys, next Sunday.